Hey guys, so welcome back to another late night video. Well, it's not really that late. It's 9:37, but I usually don't record at night. I try not to, but the little ones are sleeping and I need to clean out my closet because I'm trying to get my wardrobe ready for spring. And I have a ton of stuff in here. Let me show you guys. I've been doing some updates to my closet as well. Oh, let me fix the lighting really quickly. There we go. So I went ahead and took out the organizer that I used to have in here and I put this shelving unit. This was in my office, but I didn't need it in the office anymore. And I really like this so much more because it just looks really cute displaying my shoes on it. You know, I just really love the way it looks now. And then I still have these bins up here full of like Dollar Tree goodies. And I have some bags in here, some clutches that I really don't even wear. So what I'm going to do is put some of this stuff on my Poshmark account because I'm just like, I really don't want to have a ton of stuff in this closet, and I do not want to go out and buy new hangers because I have clothes down here that I need to hang up, but I'm out of hangers. I also have some new items on my clothing rack that I'm going to show you guys, my new pieces. But yeah, I'm like out of space. Well, I mean, I could move the pants over because, you know, there's some space there, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to keep going out buying hangers. So I'm going to go through all of my clothing items and see what I can sell on my Poshmark account. That's what I like to do. Whenever I'm getting rid of stuff, I like to always post it on my Poshmark first. And yeah, you should create an account if you want to get your hands on some of these goodies because I've sold some items, and if I don't sell the items, I just, you know, donate it to charity. But I always go to Poshmark first because I like to make money. Okay, but I'm gonna go through everything, see what I can post on my account, and I recommend you guys do the same thing if you're like purging because, you know, spring is around the corner and you just want to clean out your closet. I recommend you definitely go and you know, create an account, list some items. If you have an account, let me know what your handle is because I like to sell stuff, but I also like to buy stuff. And I do like to go on Poshmark and buy items as well. And you can also find a lot of name brand items like Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, Nike, so many different brands to choose from. So yeah, leave your handle if you already have a Poshmark account and you're like selling items and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me show you guys my new items. Uh-oh, there we go with the lighting. Okay, that's better. So I have some new items. I got these items from Rosegal. And this is the first thing. I really love like kimonos and these dusters and stuff like that. So this is the first one I have. This is great to just throw over a basic outfit. I really love the buttons on this. And I love this like black and white like design. This is really pretty. And it also has a hood on it. So yeah, this is nice for like those chilly days. And then I have this kimono here. Somewhat basic, but it does have, well, I'm not going to say this is basic because it has these really pretty sleeves, the lace on the sleeves and at the bottom. It's kind of sheer, so it's not really going to keep you warm on like a chilly spring day. But it's cute. It's really, really cute. And this one as well. It's pretty thin. But again, it has these really pretty sleeves and this nice trim at the bottom. This is so cute. I love this. I love these. Just have on a basic outfit, some jeans and a, you know, maybe a bodysuit or something, and just throw on a kimono. And yeah, have a really cute outfit. And then I found this dress because I want to start getting more like sexy dresses for date night and stuff with hubby. So yeah, I have this one and I'm loving the blue. This is so cute in the like crochet. And then it has like this ruffled type of look at the bottom. And this dress as well. Look at how pretty that is. And these items were gifted to me from Rosegal, so I do want to thank them for sending these items over. Really nice. And then I have this bodysuit here. Really love it. And this is the next top. Has that peplum look at the bottom. I do hope this can fit me though, because it looks kind of big. Let me see. It's a medium. Maybe I just put a medium in the cart, because sometimes when I look at certain items, or if I see like the reviews saying that the item runs small, then I'll just, you know, size up. But this looks, I don't know, we'll see. And this one as well, a medium. Really nice, a ruffled bottom crochet top. These items are going to be great for spring, because, you know, some days are kind of chilly, so I still wanted to get like long sleeves for some of these items. And then I have this gray top here. I really love this cutout. I love the like V cutout in the front. And then I have this bodysuit, and it has like this crossed design in the front. Really pretty. I really love this top. And then the last thing I have is this sweater dress. And it is off the shoulder. It's really nice. Like I said, some days are, you know, chillier than others. So I would definitely just rock this with some over-the-knee boots. So those are all of my items from Rosegal. Trying to get my closet ready for spring. So yeah, I am definitely not going out to buy new hangers. I am going to get rid of some stuff, because I know there is something. Hold on. I know there is something in here that I can definitely get rid of. I don't know why my camera isn't adjusting to the light. Maybe I need to figure out what's going on with my settings. I'm recording with the G7X, the Canon G7X, and I am in TV mode. So I don't know, maybe that's why. I don't know, but it's just like not adjusting with the light. I think I'm going to get rid of these bags. I just might sell all of these bags up here, because I had like a ton, but the last time I like purged, I got rid of so many, and now I'm left with this, but I don't even wear them. They're just up here for the looks, you know, just so I can have something up there. I don't even wear these bags. So I think I'm going to sell these bags as well. Well, I might keep that one, because I really do like that one. I like to use this big bag when I'm like traveling. So yeah, but the other ones I just do not use. I haven't used those bags in years. So honestly, I don't know why I still have them. So yeah, let me go ahead and grab these items.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it
Alright, so I have all of my clothes out of the closet. And I already cleaned this side, because I just put those organizers in here the other day. And, you know, put all of my shoes back. But I'm just gonna, you know, wipe down these shoe organizers over here, and then I'm gonna go through my clothes and see what I'm gonna be getting rid of. But spring cleaning the closet isn't really, you know, hard, because I don't have a bunch of like shelving units and stuff. I just have these organizers.
I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. No, 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 I won't give up, won't give up, won't give up. No, I can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I've been caught up since that day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together. And your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. It don't matter how much, no matter how much time it takes. I just can't give up. Whoa, whoa, I just can't give up.
Okay, so I have everything out on the bed. I'm gonna go through it all, see what I'm gonna get rid of. I'm definitely gonna be getting rid of these, because I cannot fit them, unfortunately. That really sucks, because I really like them. But yeah, they're still new, fresh. They've never been worn, as you can see from the bottom. They're so pretty though. Ugh, really sucks.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Looking in the rearview mirror, my decisions may be clearer. You say I'll never find somebody like you. Find somebody like you. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So pitiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get a high out of your love. So pitiful. Yeah, you send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your time. Well, I enjoy this bumpy ride. I sure appreciate the lies. I can say my heart is bleeding. Looking at me in the mirror. You never made my body shut down. Body shut down. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable.
Alright guys, so I am done. This is everything that I'm gonna be selling. Not much, but yeah. I really have a hard time letting go. But I have some good stuff. I really do love this vest here, this fur vest, but I find myself not really wearing it. So I'm just gonna let it go. And then this really glamorous top here. It's not a bodysuit, so you have to tie it in the back, and I really don't care to deal with all of the strings, so I'm just gonna let it go. It's really nice though, and I only have one workout set that I'm gonna sell. I've been like slacking on my workouts as it is, and I just cannot get rid of my workout clothes because I know I'm gonna get back on schedule with, you know, my workouts. But this one I'm gonna get rid of. It's really cute. I love the matching tops and bottoms. But yeah, if you want to check out all of the items, just click the link in the description box to download the app and to, you know, go to my closet. Let me show you guys what the closet looks like now. Looks exactly the same. Doesn't look like I went through and took out anything. It looks exactly the same, but yeah. I really didn't want to get rid of the rest of this stuff, so I need to work on that. And I'm gonna have to go out and buy some more hangers because the little items that I'm gonna get rid of, it's not gonna be enough for all of the new items that I have that I need to fit inside of this closet. So you know what I'm gonna have to do, since I'm not trying to get rid of any of my, well, the majority of my items. I am gonna have to go and take all of the winter items, like the fall and winter clothes, out of this closet, because this is like everything. This is my summer, spring, winter, fall. This is everything, because I really did go and get rid of a lot of stuff the last time I purged, and I was able to fit all seasons into this closet. But now I have so many items, so many like new spring and summer items that I've been, you know, getting. I'm definitely gonna have to take like my cold weather clothing out of here and, I don't know, put it somewhere. you know what, I can take all of my sweaters because I still need to take down these bags. I just need to get the ladder. I don't feel like going downstairs to get it though, so I'm gonna put this white one. I'm gonna put all of these up here on my Poshmark account. Well, should I do that one? That one's kind of, yeah, I'm gonna put these 4. I'm gonna sell those as well. And then like all of my sweaters, I can fold them and put them up there, or maybe let me see what can I do. Maybe I can put these boxes up, or no, maybe I can put these bins up there and then like put my sweaters on top of here. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. But I'm not gonna do it tonight because I'm getting extremely tired and I just want to go to sleep now because it's getting pretty late. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. And again, the link will be in the description box for the Poshmark app, and to get access to my closet, everything is going to be in the description box for you guys. And I do want to give a big thanks to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. And that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.